So welcome to What's Broken. Here's a short little video, I think. A friend of mine has a backyard fire pit, I don't know what you call it, chimney thing, made out of cast iron. And the little door on the front, this had a handle on it, and you use it to open the door, feed it more wood. Had a short handle. And obviously the handle's gone, and he had said that he wanted something a little longer so he could stand up to do it, you know. So, using some junk material I think I'll, not junk, but leftover material, I will fashion him a longer handle. Here's a little noise alert. Get rid of that little collar. The idea, I'll tack weld these together or spot weld them up together. Then I think I'll cut off a little chunk of this hardwood, drill it out, drive that in, maybe use some epoxy. Yeah. Let me just get you set up so you're not right in the way of the welder. Stick on a couple of these. Okay, watch your eyes. few more tacks. Well, I'll clean up the paint and I think it's ready to go for using in the backyard. Maybe hit that with a grinder a little bit. There, that should rust up nicely to match the end. Hammered a couple times to make sure it's all true. There, that should keep him happy. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. So I noticed when reviewing the tape that the whole portion of putting this little wooden handle on was missing. I don't know what happened to the camera. Anyhow, I cut about a, I don't know, 4.5 inch piece of 1 1/8 hardwood. Drilled a 15/64, just under 1/4 inch hole in about 3 or 4 inches. Drove the metal into it, and then to finish this off, I just took some 80 grit sandpaper and cleaned it all up. So if my buddy wants to paint it before he uses it for opening the door on his backyard chimney or fireplace, whatever it's called, he can do so. Anyhow, that's the finished product. Alright, have a good one. Bye now.